What's up guys, and welcome to another video. The next event up is the Nissan and GTR Festival at Hampton Downs. We'll be taking my R32 sedan out on the track. It's in need of some maintenance and some upgrades, man. Let's get to it. First up, brake upgrade. Up next, it's time to give the brakes some love. These discs and pads have had some serious track and road abuse. Time to upgrade to some DBA items to give us some more stopping power when we hit the track next week. And here's what we're upgrading to, the DBA 4000 series T3 heat treated rotors. Woof! Slotted design, that's much nicer, should give us much better braking power. And it's always good when the car's on the hoist to give it a good spanner check, man. Everything gets loose over time, especially in lowered cars, man. A few things needed a little nip up there, but we're good to go and hit the track. Now we've fitted up nice new discs, we've got to have matching calipers. Give them a lick of paint so they're looking tidy. Time to reassemble, and after a few coats of paint, the calipers are looking much better. Man, what a turnaround. It's amazing what you can do with a lick of paint. First side all bolted back together. The DBA rotors look hot, man. This is going to be so much better. And Brent went to town on the calipers, looking so much better, all painted up in black. Man, I can't wait to try these on the track. And we've just had the joys of trying to replace this hose. Man, Brent made that look easy. What a nightmare that is. Far out. There's literally no gap between those two pipes. Mental. And just like that, she's back on the ground. How much better does that look? I can only imagine how much better the braking force will be. So we've just bleeded the brakes up. After doing that line now, we're bleeding up the coolant. GTR Fest in 2 days, man. We're ready to hit the track. And I want to say a massive thank you to the team at Helensville Mechanical Services for putting in the work, man. Getting my car ready for GTR Festival. Can't wait to hit the track, guys. Still a bit wet out on track, braking traction. Amazing, so much better. Up front we got a couple of mates out there racing. We've got some R32 maintenance and some GTR Festival prep going down. I've been having issues with the headlight switch. So sometimes my lights have been turning off while I've been driving at night, which is not ideal. So the plan today is to pull the headlight switch apart and clean all the terminals because they get really dirty over time, and apparently that's a common problem. So let's get at it. So this is what the inside of the headlight switch looks like. It was all corroded in there and not getting a good connection. Unfortunately, we put it back together wrong, so I think I've got it sorted now. Plug it in, give it a test, and we should be good to roll. Now for the fun part, guys, we've got to put it all back together. All right, let's get to it. Well, the struggle is real, guys. That was so fiddly getting that back in. But hey, we've got working lights again. Check this out. So hopefully that fixes the issue because they were turning off intermittently, which is a bit sketchy. So glad we got that sorted. All right, put it all back together now and then good to roll. GTR Festival was so good. The R32 performed flawlessly all event, man. Those brakes hit the spot, man, giving me all the braking force I needed. a long overdue upgrade. Big thanks again to the team at Helensville Mechanical Services. And if you like these videos, you know what to do, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You know I'll keep the content coming.